Have you ever looked at a web page and wondered how it's made? Behind every website, there's a language called HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the backbone of the web, providing the structure and content for every page you visit. Imagine building a house. HTML is like the bricks and mortar, creating the basic layout and framework. Without HTML, websites would just be a jumbled mess of text and images. HTML uses a system of tags to define different elements of a web page. These tags tell the web browser how to display the content. For example, the tag indicates a heading, while the tag represents a paragraph. These tags are enclosed in angle brackets like this. Learning HTML is the first step towards becoming a web developer. It's a relatively simple language to learn, and there are plenty of resources available online and in libraries. Once you understand the basics of HTML, you can start creating your own simple web pages. This essay will guide you through the fundamentals of HTML, from basic tags to more advanced concepts. We'll explore how to structure your web pages, add text and images, create forms, and much more. By the end of this crash course, you'll have a solid understanding of HTML and be well on your way to mastering web development. So, let's dive in. In HTML, tags are like instructions that tell the web browser how to display the content. Think of them as the building blocks of your web page. Each tag has an opening and closing tag, with the content placed in between. For example, to create a paragraph, you would use the tag like this. Attributes provide additional information about an HTML element. They are always specified in the opening tag and come in name-value pairs. For instance, the tag is used to create hyperlinks. To specify the destination URL, you would use the attribute like this. There are countless HTML tags and attributes, each serving a specific purpose. Some commonly used tags include: to defines headings of different levels, represents a paragraph of text, embeds an image, and creates unordered, bulleted, and ordered, numbered lists. Defines a list item within a list. Understanding the different tags and attributes is crucial for creating well-structured and visually appealing web pages. As you progress in your HTML journey, you'll encounter many more tags and attributes that allow you to add interactivity, style, and functionality to your websites. Forms are an essential part of many websites, allowing users to interact with the website and submit information. Imagine an online contact form, a login page, or even a simple search bar. These are all examples of HTML forms in action. HTML provides a range of input elements that can be used within forms to collect different types of data. Some common input types include: creates a single-line text field for users to enter short pieces of information, similar to, but masks the input for security purposes. Used for email addresses, often with built-in validation. Creates a button that, when clicked, submits the form data to the server. When a user submits a form, the data is typically sent to a server-side script for processing. This script can then store the information in a database, send an email, or perform other actions based on the submitted data. Sometimes you might want to include content from other websites within your web page. This is where embedding comes in. Embedding allows you to seamlessly integrate external content such as videos, maps, or social media feeds directly into your HTML. One common way to embed content is using the tag. An iframe, short for inline frame, creates a rectangular region within your web page that displays content from another source. For example, to embed a YouTube video, you would use the tag with the video's URL as the attribute. Another approach is to use embedding options provided by external services. Many platforms like YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram offer embed codes that you can copy and paste directly into your HTML. These codes typically use a combination of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to render the embedded content. Embedding content can enhance the user experience by providing rich media and interactive elements within your web page. However, it's important to use embedding judiciously and ensure that the embedded content aligns with your website's purpose and design. Section 5. Adding multimedia images and videos. Images and videos are essential for creating visually appealing and engaging web pages. HTML makes it easy to add these multimedia elements to your website using the and tags, respectively. The tag is used to embed images into your web page. The attribute specifies the URL or path to the image file. For example, to display an image named my-image.jpg located in the Images folder, you would use the following code. The tag allows you to embed videos into your web page. Similar to the tag, the attribute specifies the URL or path to the video file. You can also use the attribute to display playback controls, such as play, pause, and volume. Adding multimedia to your web pages can significantly enhance the user experience, making them more visually appealing and engaging. However, it's essential to optimize your images and videos for web performance to ensure fast loading times and a seamless browsing experience. Section 6. HTML, Structural Tags, Building the Foundation. HTML provides a set of structural tags that help define the different sections of a web page. These tags are crucial for creating well-organized and semantically meaningful content. The tag represents the header of the web page, typically containing the website's logo, navigation menu, and other introductory content. The tag defines the website's navigation links, allowing users to easily navigate between different pages. The tag encloses the main content of the web page, such as articles, blog posts, or product descriptions. The tag contains content that is tangentially related to the main content, such as sidebars or call-out boxes. Finally, the tag represents the footer of the web page, typically containing copyright information, contact details, and links to social media profiles. Using these structural tags effectively helps improve the readability and accessibility of your web pages, making it easier for both users and search engines to understand the content's hierarchy and purpose. Section 7. The importance of HTML in web development. HTML is the foundation of web development. It's the language that web browsers understand and use to display web pages. Without HTML, there would be no websites as we know them today. Every website you visit, from simple blogs to complex web applications, relies on HTML to structure its content and provide a user interface. When you type a URL into your web browser, the browser sends a request to the server hosting the website. The server then sends back an HTML file, which the browser parses and renders into the web page you see on your screen. HTML is a relatively simple language to learn, making it an ideal starting point for aspiring web developers. Once you understand the basics of HTML, you can move on to learning other web development technologies, such as CSS and JavaScript, to create more interactive and visually appealing websites. Section 8. Conclusion. Your journey into web development. Congratulations on completing this crash course on HTML and HTML5. You've learned the fundamentals of this essential web development language, from basic tags and attributes to more advanced concepts like forms, embedding, and multimedia. Remember, this is just the beginning of your journey into the world of web development. There's always more to learn and explore. As you continue your journey, don't be afraid to experiment, build projects, and seek out new challenges. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts and questions. We're here to support you on your web development adventure. Now go forth and create amazing websites.